Okay, determine whether the clause is restrictive or non-restrictive. For number one, the book that you lent me was fascinating. That's restrictive because the clause that you lent was specify which book is being referred to. Number two, my brother who lives in Canada is visiting us next week. Sama na. That's non-restrictive. The clause who lives in Canada adds extra information about my brother. For number three, the car which parked outside belongs to our neighbor. That's restrictive. The clause which is parked outside specifies which car is being referred to. For number four, our teacher who is very kind give us extra time to complete the assignment. That is non-restrictive. The clause who is very kind adds extra information about our teacher. For number five, the movie that we watched last night was thrilling. That's restrictive. The clause that we watched last night specify which movie is being referred to. Kuha ra? Okay. Anyong hi sa'yo, Samara.
안녕하세요.
Please sit down. So please introduce im kagalingon.
안녕하세요. 저는 11살 학년 Samara입니다.
Oh, so, ana siya inday. Anyong ha sa'yo, chonon. 11 years old, kuha na siya. Yulhan Sal, dayon, chudong hakyo, elementary man ka. So, grade 6 ka, yok, hangyon. Yok hangyon kay, kuan man ka, elementary man ka niya, grade 6. Basta chudong, kay pasabot ana kay elementary. Nya yok kay grade 6. Okay? Nya, i-continue imong pangan. Anyong hasayo, chonon, yulhan sal, chudong hakyo, yok hangyon, Samara Imeda. Kuha na. Mao to imong praktisan per me. So, Samara, for now kanang temporary student ka sa study room. So, you need to study the multiplication table and imong pasaron ang random pohon nga mga questions sa multiplication table. So, nakasag-o na ka sa multiplication table?
Pag-ayo.
O, sige, atong testingan ha. Relax lang. Kuyong. 6-3.
6, 3, 24,
18. 7-4.
7, 4, 32,
28. 8-3.
8, 3, 27,
24. So, pag-study sa multiplication table hindi ha, kay napam kay kanang chance nga 1 month nga magtuon sa multiplication table ha. Ay lagkakuan. So, for now, akong i-test imong reading skills.
Let's keep our place clean. As a member of the community, community, it is our duty to keep our place clean. When our place is dirty or polluted,
Anyong ha sa'yo, Alexander?
안녕하세요.
So, please introduce imong kagalingon.
안녕하세요. 저는 7 Chudong Hakyo, Hangyon,
Ihangyon.
Ihangyon, Alexander de Emeda.
So, Alexander Ilgupsal means 7 years old man kano. Then, Chudong Hakyo kay mo ng elementary niya. Grade 2 man ka, Ihangyon. Alexander Imnida. Ha? Mo nang pag-introduce sa imong kagalingon into Korean. So, for now, you are temporary student of the study room. So, you're given 1 month chance para sag-on nimo ang multiplication table, then imong ipas ang random test pohon. Okay? So, for now, atong i-test ang imong reading skills.
Running day.
A rainy day.
Across the darkening sky, big gray
Clouds.
clouds are floating by when the
Bright. Bright na siya. Ginabreak.
bright yellow
Lightning.
lightning
Flashes.
and
Rumbles.
rumbles of
Thunder.
thunder,
Claps.
rushes down, pours the cold drops of rain,
Flooding.
roads and
Every.
green
Okay, stop. Okay. So, Alexander, kanang mag-start na ka tomorrow as a temporary student diri sa study room, ha? So, you are given 1 month chance na to lang ha. Mo na to tong sabot imong i-recite ang multiplication table, dayon imong pasaron ang random test pohon. Okay? Kasi nabot ta? O sige, bye-bye for now.
bye.
Anyong hasayo, Krisa?
안녕하세요.
Okay, sit down, Inday. So, please introduce yourself, Inday.
안녕하세요. 저는 11살 역학년 Krista Emeda.
Yulhansal. Ha? Yulhansal. So, 11 years old, grade 6. So, for now, you are given 1 month chance as a temporary student sa study room until maka-memorize ka sa multiplication o makapasar ka sa random nga mga questions. Okay? Kasi nabot ra ta. So, kanang una kagamay sa multiplication table?
Gamay ra.
Sige, atong testingan ha. Testing lang. Ayaw lang. Relax lang. 3 to.
9.
That's 6 in
Ay,
there.
ud.
4, 5.
Ay, 20.
5, 8.
40.
Sige, pag-study inday ha. Kaya na pa makay 1 month chance as a temporary students. So, puhon. Kanang hopefully nga makapasar ka puhon ning random after sa 1 month nato nga chance nga gihatag. So now, akong itest imong reading skills. Please, basahin din.
Planting the seed.
Planting
The seed.
the seed. Proceed.
2 rabbits were eating fruits that they got from a garden. The first rabbit told the second rabbit to plant the seed of the fruit so they could have a
Steady.
steady supply of fruits. But the second rabbit just smiled and threw the seeds of the fruits it was eating The first rabbit, however,
However,
plant the seed. Soon the seed grew, grew,
grow
grew, and the first rabbit patiently took,
patiently.
patiently took care of the plant until it bore fruits. Now the first rabbit had a steady supply of fruits, and he